What is up, nerdy peeps? I hope you're having an amazing day and welcome to Nerdy Nails. And today we are back with another review video in my series I like to call nail polish from around the world, and today we're reviewing another Holo Taco collection. This time we have Holo Taco's Christmas collection, so let's take a closer look. First things first, I absolutely love the packaging. You can see a lot of thought and care has been put into the making of this box, and it looks like a gorgeous Christmas present. And even if you didn't want to wrap it up, you could have the box as the packaging as a Christmas present, as it is top notch. I love the black glitter stripes you have on the corner of each of these boxes, and I love the holographic and red chrome hollow all over the box, and I love that the inside is a chrome red, and I love how the layout of the nail polishes look like a Christmas tree. You can see a lot of thought and care has been put in, and it's absolutely top notch. And also on the lid of the box you've got "'Tis the season to give yourself some holo," so packaging and the design for this box is top notch. I can't complain. You can see a lot of thought and care has been put into the making of the Christmas collection. But let's take a closer look at each of these polishes. We have 6 beautiful holographic glitter polishes. Each of them are a perfect colour for the Christmas season. So for starters, I have prepped all of my nails with a peely base coat. It's highly important, if you're going to be using glitter polishes, you should put some form of a peel off base coat just to make the removal process a lot easier, as when it comes to glitter polishes they tend to be a bit harder to get off your nails when you want to remove them, as the glitter really sticks to your nails. So a peel off base coat is highly important when it comes to using glitter polishes. Our first polish is the gold play button. This one is a beautiful holographic gold glitter polish. It is in a yellow jelly base formula with gold holographic glitter flakes in the polish. So absolutely beautiful holographic gold polish, and application is completely fine. So the polish is really nice. You can see the polish is spreading nicely all over my nails. You're not really getting any lumpy or clumpy bits, and the gold looks absolutely beautiful on my nails, and the glitter is spreading out nicely. Once you've applied the nail polish, make sure you seal it all in with a glossy top coat. It looks absolutely gorgeous. As you can see with my phone torch, the holographic speckles are dancing nicely throughout my nail. So overall, a really nice holographic gold polish. I think everyone should have a gold glitter polish in their nail polish collection, and this is a really nice one for Christmas. So if you're going to any kind of work events or any party events and you want some glittery nails, then a classic holographic gold polish is the one for you. Let's move on to our next polish. This one is called Black Hollow Wish. It is a black holographic glitter polish. It's in a black base jelly formula with black holographic glitter flakes in the polish, and I always think a black holographic polish is absolutely gorgeous. The rainbow spectrum really shows it nicely through the black polish, and application is completely fine. It's gliding on my nails nicely. You're not having any lumpy or glumpy bits. It is leveling out nicely on my nails, and you will need about 3 layers of nail polish to get the polish to be really bold and pigmented on your nails, and to really get that true black and the holographic flakes shining through. So overall, really like Black Hollow Wish. This is probably one of my favourite ones in this collection, but let's have a look at the next polish. So next we have a red holographic glitter polish. So this one is in a red jelly base formula with red holographic glitter flakes in the polish. Now this one is your classic Christmas polish, as it's your typical red for Christmas. This one is called Naughty List, so absolutely gorgeous red holographic glitter, perfect for the Christmas season. Father Christmas will be wearing this polish with his lovely red coat. I don't know if you guys know this, maybe you do, maybe you don't, but the reason Father Christmas coat is red is actually from Coca-Cola, because originally his Christmas outfit was green, but Coca-Cola changed it to red to match the branding of the Coca-Cola bottles, and it's kind of just stuck with people's minds that Father Christmas coat is red, but originally it was green. So it just shows you how powerful marketing and branding can be to the world. But anyway, gorgeous red holographic glitter polish. The holographic aspect is shining nicely. Application completely fine. Applying it nicely on my nails like all the other polishes. Again, you will need 3 coats to get the true deep red showing up. Or I guess it depends on how red you would like your nails to be for this one, as I find the more layers you applied, the more of a deeper red you got. So depending on the shade of red you would like for your nails is how many layers of nail polish you would like to apply on your nails. But Nautilus, absolutely classic Christmas red, and the holographic aspect is absolutely lovely. This is your perfect Christmas nail polish for sure. Moving on to our next holographic polish, which is a green holographic glitter polish. Now this one is called Everything is Pine, and it is a gorgeous holographic green polish. This one is in a green jelly based formula with green holographic glitter flakes. Now this one is perfect for the Christmas tree, matches with the Christmas tree, and again application is completely fine, applying nicely, and similar to our Nautilus, so for the red holographic glitter polish. So depending on the shade of green you'd like your nails to be will affect on how many layers of nail polish you will need to apply, as if you really want a deep green on your nails, then you will need to apply a couple layers of nail polish in between. Again, the magic number for this polish seems to be 3, so if you apply 3 coats of this nail polish you will get a truly nice dark holographic green. But the polish is absolutely gorgeous, and this polish will match your Christmas tree for sure. End result looks gorgeous. My nails look like a Christmas tree, and with the holographic aspect it looks like the Christmas lights or tinsel on your nails. So this polish is really nice because if you want some lazy nail art, just apply this polish, and with the holographic aspect you can just say it's a Christmas tree with the Christmas tree lights on. As with the holographic flakes, it looks like a cozy Christmas tree with the Christmas lights on. Next we have Choco Hollow. So this polish is a brown jelly base formula polish with brown holographic glitter flakes in, and application looks completely fine, nothing to complain, applying nicely on my nails as you can see, and overall result it looks completely fine. It's a lovely brown holographic polish. This one's slightly unusual, as I always think for holographic polishes it's always harder to find a brown shade, so definitely a more unique shade of holographic polish, and it does look absolutely lovely. Looks like a nice holographic chocolate bar, so overall looks pretty good. I've got nothing to complain with this shade. And then our final polish is Plum Luck, which is a gorgeous deep purple holographic glitter polish. So this one is a purple jelly base formula with purple holographic glitter flakes in, and application is completely fine as well. It's applying nicely, similar to our red and green polish. If you really want a dark gorgeous shade of purple, then applying 3 shades of this polish and you'll get a gorgeous deep shade of holographic purple on your nails. So an absolutely gorgeous shade. I love the holographic glitter in the polish. It complements the purple really nicely, and this is a gorgeous shade of holographic purple for the Christmas season. So overall this is a really nice shade of holographic purple. I definitely love this one. This is probably one of my more favorite ones from this collection, but it's an absolutely gorgeous purple, and it's perfect for the Christmas season, especially if you don't want to wear a classic red or green polish for the Christmas season and you want a more slightly more unique shade for this festive season. So that's all the polishes reviewed for today's video. My quick summary for this collection: I believe my favourite two is Plum Luck and Black Hollow Wish. These two are absolutely gorgeous shades of holographic polishes. Probably my least favourite ones are the Gold Play Button and Choco Hollow. Overall, completely fine polishes. I never really have anything to complain with Holo Taco. As the creator of it, Simply Nailogical, who is a big nail blogger on YouTube, she knows her stuff, she knows what she's doing, and she always creates such great nail polishes. And I do like when it comes to her glitter based polishes, she makes the jelly a matching colour, as that is the right way to do it to make a glitter polish. As you may find, you may have a few polishes that label themselves as a glitter polish, but the jelly aspect of their formula is clear, so when you're trying to get a nice spread of the glitter, it doesn't really work as well, or you need to do the sponging technique to get a nice spread of the glitter, as it just doesn't lay out nicely and doesn't look as good. But if you have a glitter polish where the jelly aspect of the formula is a similar shade to the glitter, then you will have a much better end result, and she always does that right. I would buy these nail polishes again if they get re-released. Retail price for each of these bottles is roughly $13. That exchanged to £9.50, and for the whole collection it's $78. But I have just seen on the Holo Taco website they have got a sale at the moment for $72, which roughly transfers into £52. So overall, in the world of Holo Taco, for the ranking of how expensive their nail polish is, it is more on the expensive side, but I kind of class them, they're on a similar price to what you'd pay for OPI, but you do definitely get more unique shades of polish that you wouldn't necessarily find in your local drugstore or in your local fashion malls. So I do think they are a polish worth buying, but if you are going to buy from Holo Taco, I think it's really important that you want to spend over roughly $100 to make up for free shipping. And just also be careful from which country you come from, as if you are coming from the UK like me, it's important to try and get that free shipping to save yourself $20, but also there's an extra $20 added on top due to stamp duty and just some extra tax for travel, so you just need to watch out for that extra £20 on tax on top. So really important to make sure you get that free shipping if you're going to buy from Holo Taco. Overall, it's a beautiful Christmas collection and it's perfect for anyone who likes some glittery nail polish for the wintry season, so I would definitely recommend it. But yeah, that's everything for today's video. If you have enjoyed today's video, please leave it a like. If there's any products you want me to review or take a look into, let me know and I will get around to doing it. But just remember guys, keep being awesome, keep being amazing, and I will see you in the next nail art video. Bye!